Today we are making soft sugar dusted jam buns. Sweet, golden and stuffed with your favorite jam. Let's get started. First, let's proof the yeast. Add 4 grams of dry yeast, and 2 tablespoons of sugar to a bowl. Now pour in some lukewarm water. Give it a gentle mix and let it rest for 5 to 6 minutes. In another bowl, add 250 grams of all-purpose flour, one tablespoon of butter, and 1 whole egg. Now pour in your proof yeast mixture. Mix it all together until it starts forming a soft dough. Add a pinch of salt. It helps balance the flavor without slowing down the yeast too soon. Lightly flour your surface and knead the dough for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth, soft and elastic. Now place it into an oil container, cover it and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Push the dough gently to deflate the air. This step helps the buns bake evenly. Now roll it out slightly. And divide into 6 equal portions for medium-sized bun, or into 4 if you want them bigger. Take each piece and gently roll it out into a ball. Brush with little oil to keep them soft. Using a rolling pin, flatten one ball out evenly. Then flip it over. Add a small spoonful of your favorite jam. Don't overfill, the jam will try to escape while baking. Fold it in half. Seal the edges tightly with your fingers and use a spoon to make that classic pattern on the edge. Transfer each bun to a lightly oiled baking tray. Brush the tops with oil and sprinkle some sugar. That's what gives the signature sweet crust. Repeat the process with the rest of your dough. Bake them at 180 Celsius for around 20 minutes or until they are golden and puffed. Just look at them. Golden, warm, sugar-kissed jam buns, fresh from the oven. The jam has just enough heat to soften, but not too hot to burn your tongue. Perfect with a cup of tea or a coffee, or just as they are. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more comforting bakes.